So, people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars by selling logos online. The exciting part is, now we can generate logos using AI for free, and with just a little touch-up, create something truly beautiful. And the best part? It won't cost you a dime. But that's not all. Stick around till the end of this video, where I'll share with you how you can earn money by simply creating logos like the ones we'll be making. Imagine creating logos so impressive that you can turn them into a side hustle, earning you thousands in no time. All you need is the power of your creativity and a few free AI tools. I'm here to guide you on maximizing the potential of these tools, making informed selections, and employing effective techniques to craft truly awe-inspiring logos, and show you how you can craft mind-blowing logos using these tools. Are you ready? Because I sure am. Let's get started. The first tool on our list is Ideogram.ai, a fantastic free text-to-image generator tool. As you explore, you'll notice a gallery filled with creations from other users. Now let's explore the two methods you can use to craft your logo within Ideogram. The first way is to type in a brief description for your logo. Remember, for logo design in Ideogram.ai, the more you describe, the better the results. Choose your words wisely. Try different variations. Do some experiments with prompts until you get your desired results. Here, I have got these results, and they are just amazing. Look at the details and text effects it gave. But yes, if you want to change, modify, or enhance the design, simply click on Remix and provide specific instructions for the modifications you desire. Here are some examples of logos I just created using Ideogram.ai. Look at the details and color themes it gave. Another fascinating approach is to explore the feed section, where you can find logos crafted by other users. Choose a design that catches your eye, click on Remix, and input your prompt. Refine and adjust the prompt until it perfectly aligns with your vision. You can remix it multiple times to fine-tune the details and ensure it matches your description. Let's take a look at a few examples to understand this process better. Let's explore another incredible tool. Microsoft Bing. It offers a unique opportunity to generate images with AI. Head to bing.com/create, and if you're not already logged in, create an account. Enter your prompt, and voila, you've got logos at your fingertips. Notice the impressive quality and vibrant color themes. But wait, there's more. Choose a logo you fancy, click on Customize, and you'll be redirected to designer.microsoft.com, a Canva-like version of Microsoft. This platform boasts numerous features. Experiment with them, blur or remove backgrounds, make necessary adjustments, and even add visuals. The possibilities are endless. Here are some of the logos I created using Bing AI. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and the exceptional text quality it provides. It's truly mind-blowing. Logos like these can leave a lasting impression on your clients and showcase the impressive quality of your work. The next tool on our list is Leonardo.ai, renowned for crafting cool-looking scenes and character images. With Leonardo.ai, you can easily create captivating visuals that add extra flair to your logos. Let's jump into Leonardo.ai and start crafting some amazing logos. Go to app.leonardo.ai. Here, you'll find trending images created by users, and you can also check out the latest ones. Navigate to image generation. Enter a detailed prompt for your logo. For better results, provide a proper description and choose a fine-tuned model that suits your design. Experiment with different models to enhance your outcomes. On the left panel, customize the number of generations and image dimensions. Make necessary changes and click on Generate. You can create logos with or without text, but note that text results in Leonardo.ai might not be as great. For text, I recommend creating logos with images or models without text. Afterwards, you can head over to Canva to add text and other effects. Nowadays, Canva also offers many good features. Leonardo.ai also offers an image-to-image generation, similar to Ideogram's Remix feature that we saw. Select an image and choose from trending or new user-created logos. You can also upload an image from your disk. What I tried is I uploaded my logo created with Ideogram.ai and added the necessary prompt, and the result I got in Leonardo.ai was amazing. You can try this trick too to get better results. Although generating logos in Leonardo.ai may seem challenging initially, understanding proper prompting and selecting the right model can lead to amazing results. Don't hesitate to experiment with different images and prompts to find the perfect combination for your unique logo. Now, let's customize our logos. While we've generated numerous logos, some excel in text design, while others shine in clip art or images. To refine and enhance our creations, we'll head over to Canva. I won't delve too much into how to use Canva, but here are some tips. Go to Canva and search for logo templates. Open any template to explore hundreds of ideas for logos. Take inspiration from clip art styles or text design styles. Find combinations that create the perfect logo for your brand. For additional ideas, visit websites like Looka, Logo.ai, Logo.com, or Logomaster.ai. Provide details such as your company name and theme preferences, then hit Generate. This will offer a plethora of logo ideas, along with color themes. You can take these ideas and modify or customize them in Canva to suit your specific needs. In the description, I have attached all links to these websites and provided some good prompts to help you create logos with these AI tools. Now, let's move on to the final step, selling your logos. Can you sell your logos online without any effort? It's a tricky question. For selling logos or your designs, you can visit websites like Etsy or Printify and then sell your logos. Additionally, you can find clients on freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Here's an example. Go to Upwork, create your account, and upload some samples or projects. Select your niche, and you'll find many people posting jobs for creating new logos, whether it's for their company, a startup, or a new social media platform. Write them a cover letter along with some samples and earn a good amount of money. The most important part is your patience and consistency. Creating logos is not a gambling business where you learn it today and earn thousands tomorrow. You'll have to give it some time to learn how to make good logos. I know we have AI tools to do that, but controlling those AI tools or providing good prompts for quality results also requires skill. So be patient. Learn this skill with proper consistency, give your creative thoughts, and also learn how to communicate with clients on those freelancing platforms. How to convince them. In conclusion, remember that creating and selling logos is a journey that takes time and effort. With the help of AI tools, but also fun and interesting way to work with AI. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to show your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials and tips. See you next time.